F2D in the community here for our annual King Edwards / F2D Creative Design Entrepreneurship Competition with a group of primary school children, 7 schools to be exact. Let's see who wins today. Off we go. Morning, everyone okay? So let's make sure, who have we got? We've got Warren Farm, we have Percy Sherma, Montgomery, Oasis Woodview, and Ford Dwellings. Okay then, and St. Matthews, how can I forget St. Matthews? Okay, we've got one more school coming, but we're gonna get started. Everyone stand up. Once again, thank you for coming, guys. My name is Dan, and I am from an organization called F2D in the Community, and you are taking part in our 3rd annual F2D Entrepreneurship Project Competition, okay? You're gonna have a lot of fun with us, hopefully. You're gonna get really creative. You're gonna learn a lot about yourself, a little bit about business, a little bit about communication and teamwork, but hopefully overall, you have a lot of fun. So how it's gonna work, guys, is this. Throughout the morning, you're gonna be designers. You are going to design your own hoodie, okay? And you're gonna start from scratch, and we're gonna take you through a step-by-step process of how to design that hoodie, okay? You will have one of our year 10 students working with you from Balaam Wood Academy who have already done this workshop. As you can see, they are wearing the hoodies. If you can, guys, can you just join one team each? Grab a seat from over there. Before we start, guys, I've got a quick question for you. Teamwork's going to be very important today. Can somebody in this room put their hand up and please tell me why they think teamwork is important to get this job done today?
So we know what we're doing, so we can communicate with each other.
Brilliant answer. Perfect.
If you don't work as a team, you'll miss out other people's ideas and you might be selfish.
I love that. Excellent. That's exactly right, guys. So, for instance, yeah, this tracksuit I'm wearing is one of our tracksuits, okay? But I just couldn't decide by myself to make it like this. I've got business partners as well. I can't just decide it by myself and have my own way. I would like to sometimes, but that's just not how life goes. So as you get older and you go into the real world, you're going to learn to work with other people. So today, you're going to be doing that. You've got a goal you want to accomplish, but you're going to use your teammates, who are now your business partners and colleagues, to make your business idea and your hoodie. So the first step is doing your name. Are you ready, guys? Yeah. Should we get started?
Yeah.
Okay, off we go. Let's go.
Yeah.
The vote is going to be between BU or Mine Savannah. Pick what you want to pick.
No, but and then for our logo, for like our thing, and then on the side, CC.
We had thumbs up for free life.
Something to do with that instead. Team for life, guys.
Guys, should we do love for life? It's the power of friendship.
So maybe have the word courage in the brand name, but put another word before it or after it. So like something courage or courage something, or something about being courageous. Do we get that? So maybe have the word courage in there, but try and get another word to go before it, guys, or after it. What could it be?
So let me explain what we
I think we all now have a name and a slogan. I know that some have started talking about their colour coordination. So what I want you to do now is, you've got your name, your slogan, which is great. Now I want you to think about the colour of your hoodie. Your hoodie can be any 2 colours you want it to be. After that, you're going to choose your font style, and you can match it with the slogan, or if you want to, you can choose another font for the slogan, okay? So a maximum of 2 fonts. All right, guys? Off we go.
Oh, listen, we do like that. It's easy to read.
Guys, how about we just do this?
D for L and then Dream for Life on the front.
Yeah.
That's really good, man. So let's have a look then. So dream for life, never give up, light beige, white writing, and then you want this as well. Yeah. Can you write that for step 5 then, please? Just so that's there as well. Brilliant, guys.
You can choose 2.
I love that. Creative children. I love that as well, man. Yeah. Well done, guys. You've caught up, man. So we're on the next step now. I'm going to tell you now. Okay, guys, that's been great so far. Honestly, I'm walking around, so I'm the only one at the moment that is seeing these hoodies. They are very, 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 very good. Very, very creative, honestly. So the last thing that we're going to do to finalize our designs is I'm going to give you this. It's called a design map. Whatever goes on here is the final design. And then once we have all finished this, hold it in the air so I can see you've done it. And once we've all done that, we're going to start doing the presentations. All right, guys? But so far, this has been brilliant so far, okay? I don't know how we're going to judge this, to be honest with you, because it's going to be very, very hard.
What's that then? So
And
I don't know.
all of this is beige.
I forgot to put it.
It's like body colour beige. So which one is for the Old English? Which is... And meltdown is for Slogan.
Free life to our team means opportunity to live and speak.
I'm going to give you 2 minutes because we're over time. 2 minutes left. For some reason, your kids love that font just because it looks so melty. But does it suit the name? Your name is quite powerful, man. Do you know what I mean? Like a solid font would look so much better, but I don't want to change your mind. It's up to you, but I just want to like think about your brand name.
Jackpot one.
Or this one or this one. Wait, maybe you can put it in the
I get dirty. And the pull strings are up. Yeah, they can be.
Okay, guys, how about
It is now time to present our hoodies. So, I know you've got some talkers for your teams, but I still do want the rest of the team to still come up and stand with the rest of the team to support the members of your team that will be talking and representing the team. Are we ready? Percy Sherman, want to come to the front, please?
It's called Free Life. It says Free Life. Free.
and a dog in from the cracks?
Gonna be dog.
We have named our hoodie Brave.
Decided. The hoodie. It says never give up, and it also says cap, which means courage and take an
We have our slogan. It's who we are, not what we do. We think our character is more important than our actions.
I don't think you understand how hard it is to come up here and speak in front of people, okay? So the way that you guys all did that is a testament to how brave and courageous and how much character, using some of the words you've used in your branding, describes how you guys really are. So guys, coming up here and doing that, absolutely well done. So we're gonna really run down now how hoodies and clothes get manufactured, all right? So you're gonna learn about that. So one day, if you wanna make your own brand, if you wanna turn your brand into a real brand, which you can, I do know kids that have got their own brands as well, you can actually do the same thing. Whether it's Nike, Adidas, Trapstar, Hoodie Rich, F2D, we all use CADs, okay? A design cannot be made without a CAD. And any item, guys, whether it's an iPhone, whether it's the latest BMW car, they all use CAD. So one day, if any of you guys go into computer design, CAD is something that you will hear. How do we know it's that brand? What do we see that lets us know? Okay, that is Nike. What is it that we see? A logo. The Nike logo, what is it, someone? Hands up. What is it? What is it? What is it?
Tick.
It's a tick. Okay then, so there you go. So that is what a brand is, and that is branding. So a brand is a company's name, it's a company's identity, and the branding is how they let us know who they are. So for instance, we said the Nike tick, that is their logo. And now we're gonna show you how powerful that is by playing a game, Guess the Logo. Everyone ready? Yeah. Don't shout them out as hard as it's gonna be. There's got to be a few hard ones in there, isn't it? That's it. That is the end of round one. We've got another round though, but we're going to see who's won this one. So all we're going to do is go through the answers. Are we ready? Hands up, hands up, hands up, hands up. We've got Montclair over here. What have you got? Popeyes. What have you got? Mountain. What you got? You got Montclair? Montclair. It is Montclair. Tommy Hilfiger, well done. And that is it. Can the Balaam Wood staff come forward, please, with your scores once you've got them? Count the ticks and then bring them over to me, please. What's your team? Yeah, you're the winners. What was that, 52? Yeah, take these back, guys, and turn it over. We're going to do round two as well. Eyes on me, please, at the back. There is a winner with a very, very impressive score. That score beats a lot of secondary kids that we do this with, to be fair. I'll tell you straight. So the winners are Warren Farm. Give them a clap. So guys, before you go home, we will give you your sweets to take with you. Okay, so well done, guys. This time it is match the slogan to the brand. What you're going to do is, it's a double-sided sheet. There are 2 rounds again, and we will give sweets to the winners once again. There are 3 options. The first one, you will circle, whether it's this brand, or this brand. Go down the list, discuss within your teams, okay guys? Don't just tick them straight away. See what you all think it is. Do both sides, and then once you finish, start round 2 straight away as well. We're gonna do both rounds together this time. Off we go.
Oh no, it's Puma. The world's local bank. What do you guys think? It was McDonald's.
Eyes on me. We are going to mark our Guess the Slogan game. I'll leave it there. It's gonna get marked. So we're gonna start with round 1. Snickers, you're not you when you're hungry. Hoodrich, from nothing to something. Number 3 is a German word, Vorsprung durch Technik, which is Audi. So we've got 2 winners. The score of 18 each. The winners are Oasis Academy and For the Wellings. Well done, well done. So sweets for you guys. Our Balaam Wood Academy kids and our 2 staff members have been watching you all the way through. They've gone through all your designs, and all the designs are brilliant. However, it is also based off all the other things that we have seen you guys do. The communication, collaboration, the compromise, who was arguing, who was squabbling. We did see some arguing and some squabbling at some points. We did see some kids snatching things at each other's hands, so we were watching. So those will count against your teams, I'm afraid. So we was watching for the things that we said we were watching for. So when you get the winner, it will be based off the team that we've seen cooperate and work together the most. All the kids in the room have been brilliant. Last year and the year before, there were definite clear winners. This is the most equal that it's ever been for me. So when they come down, I want to find out what they think, because it has been absolutely brilliant. Warren Farm, amazing. For the Wellings, Monty, Percy, Oasis, St. Matthews, Ark, absolutely brilliant. We have a winner, and it's in front of me. So, go on.
Should we do a drum roll?
Oh, yeah, yes. So, come on then, drum roll. And the winners of our 3rd annual Invitational Creative Design Entrepreneurship Competition is Warren Farm. Okay. First of all, I know why they've chosen you, all right? And it is because of the teamwork, the communication, the respect, the manners between each other, the way you all work together. You have a true testament to yourselves, to your school, and to the parents that raised you guys. Your presentation as well. Your presentation was absolutely brilliant. It was first class, all right? So I know that's why they've chosen you as the winners. So well done. Can we give them one more clap, please? Can we also thank our Balaam? Okay then, so what a day we have had today at King Edward's for our annual competition. We've got a winner, along with some very enthusiastic kids who have all enjoyed the day. I've enjoyed the day myself. It's been amazing, it's been brilliant. It's been all the words you can think of. King Edward's, thank you for having us. F2D in the community, over and out.